What's the meaning of Charles Macintosh? Charles Macintosh. Charles Macintosh.
Charles Macintosh. Charles Macintosh. Charles Macintosh was a Scottish chemist and inventor who was best known for creating a waterproof fabric that revolutionized the rainwear industry. He discovered that by coating a layer of rubber onto a piece of fabric, he could create a durable yet flexible material that was impervious to water. This led to the development of the raincoat, which became a popular fashion item and a practical solution for people living in wet climates. Today, Macintosh's innovative use of rubber-coated fabrics continues to influence the design and production of outdoor clothing.